Oh, soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. Oh, soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. You be guy man. If you move, you go move you. Oh, soldier, say make you stand at easy.
Uncle. Uncle, hey. What are you doing? I'm hungry. Hungry, making me uncomfortable.
Congratulations.
No, I'm not saying I'm jubilation. I say I'm hungry. Give me money. You give me money, I'll be happy. Give me money.
And I said congratulations. Listen, if you're hungry, then go look for something to eat.
I want to eat, but no money. Give me
Look,
money.
back there in Congo. Don't you cook? Or are you not even the one that's supposed to be cooking and giving us here to eat?
Cooking is no problem for me at all. But I don't have money. The problem is money. Uncle, you give me money. I go out there, buy plenty things. Cook, everybody hates it. Happy jubilation, that's my cosa. That is it. But you don't give me money. I need money.
So once you eat, you dance makosa.
Woohoo!
That's all.
That is it.
I see. Am I your late father? Did your late father give me any money to give you for eating?
You did not ask him before he died. You should have asked him money for your children. You didn't ask, so you carry responsibility. Give me money, I'm hungry.
Makosa, better go and hustle. Go and hustle before hunger kills you. Eh? You still want to be dancing your makosa? Better go and hustle before hunger comes. Because if hunger comes, I'll pity you.
Uncle, I need money. Be good to me. You too stingy. You too hard. What is it?
She say her name na Christara. She say her name na Christara. She too like the makosa.
Bombo clad, blood clad. Let me tell you. Also, me no deserve no disrespect from you. And me, Kingston, original Don, a Dongola Jamaica. Why you tell me I go fetch water, feed the stream? Why you tell me I go fetch water, feed the stream?
Hey! What's wrong with you? You come out, Yala.
Speak the language Rastaman fi here.
Whether you come from Jamaica or from wherever. Listen, there's no water here. I'm saying that every one of you must go to the stream now and fetch water.
Old Sarge, there is traffic in the air.
Yeah, man.
I can go to the stream to fetch water, man. What will Jay-Z say when he hears I fetch water in Africa?
Yeah, man.
Nigga, I'm not fetching water, man. Shit. Can't try that shit.
Uncle. Me, Christella. You tell me to fetch water. Nah, not good for me. I'm a baby. I'm the girl. Let all this men go fetch water for me. I use it as the baby. Okay.
Baby? Come on, suck.
Not this type. I take bigger one.
Well, I'm in charge, okay? So everybody must go to the stream now.
But, my man, is there no small boy we can call and give money to go and fetch water for us?
Yeah, man.
Yes, there
No
is.
small boy?
There is, in fact, 2.
Then call them.
Oh, yes. In fact, there are more than 1. You want to?
Then let's call the person.
Bring the money, quick. Bring the money first.
My man, you know, I got no money with me. I finish all my money. I'm surviving by the grace of Almighty God. You know?
Keep quiet by the grace of God.
Listen, Old Sarge, At this point, I'm fucking tired, man. I need to go back to Texas. Real niggas don't fetch war, man. Shit.
Hey. Nobody talks about going back. And that goes for all of you. Nobody should talk about going anywhere. Do I make myself clear? Eh? How is everybody? Nobody's leaving.
But man, I cannot carry one motor with my hair.
Now, listen. Every one of you, move in there. Pick up the sweet container that is good for you. Then we move. Handle move. Handle, move. Handle.
Now there is traffic.
Handle. Hey, handle. Left. Move it. Left. Move it. Left. Go one ule wo nenjelo. Move it. Left. Left. Oh, mona nenjelo go. Njagago. Lelani wo. Muna wane njelo, wane mapuda uzo le wane. Left. Handle. Mark time. There. Stop. Mark time. Left. Hey, come on! Left. This is House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going for attack. Attack on the stream. Attack. Come on. Now listen. We are going on an attack. This is the House of Bartholomew. Retreating from the house. Going on an attack. On the stream. Now, anybody that moves, I move you. Stand still, everybody. Don't move. If you move, you become a monkey. And the monkey, I will scatter you. Now, pressure. Come on. Left. Now move. Quick march. Left. Come on.
Sai Jankara Angelati Yoli Umonila.
Get on the border.
Oh, the men's I was also. Enfin.
Udo.
See, all you have to do now, just get ready, make you waka pass. She grab. In Agazi, he went up yellow FIFA and a buggy. Who sells him an Ibu. If he see, just go there when you just try confuse them with this your waist. If you confuse them, Jankara will enter. And what they can was a say Benine ya walk. And I'm told you.
Mechipono. You know, look at a walk on it. Pick up walk with a malifene.
What is it? Nakeye buswani ye na sapa panza asa.
Mechipono ge. Odi fele megins. Onye ke na gwoku.
O na esi n'isi na fa na esi isi.
Panti ke m na esi isi. Na la bokona go.
O na esi isi.
Mechon guys. Mechon go. I want to phone ka isi we put ala bokona go. You go the monte. I need the panty phone and shake it. What if I can shake? So I need to remove the pants so that my buttocks will be able to shake well. When I whine it, then it will shake. But if I'm wearing this pants, OG everything. No one is if I gonna for. You shake go, no one if I gonna shake. No for you, mas if I now. Wow. What are you giving them? You know what I'm now?
You're there. You're there.
So you pants na ko, you pants off, man. I don't man.
Mbani ana bana. Mo like ko we o genye kwa abam body order.
Party me na body order. Nanga dolo ko ife go, ala boko na go. No no nya. You must not go for na kai swept.
I want to guide you with this thing. So you can now just buy it. You want to go? Make people see me now. I'm about to buy it. Plug with this step. Hi. Conversion. You man open it, blow one. Open it, blow one. You think you make it back? You get to original shape.
It's 50 naira.
Give me.
That looks good afternoon.
Ah, Janet.
Yeah?
How you doing now?
I'm fine. Who is here?
Yes, what do you want?
I want battery.
Tiger battery or flashlight?
No, I want phone battery.
Have you come to this store to buy phone battery or phone accessories before? What is wrong with you? Please, will you live here?
Oh, sorry.
Janet.
How are we going?
I see you.
Alright,
Thank you. Hey. Hey, Janet. What?
Please get out from here. What? What's wrong with you?
This man.
Why will you be bumping into somebody else? Please get out! She has got away. Get out! She's there. Go!
What is the word? All these boys. They'll be running about it. Nah, yeah, I beg,
Please take your...
Nah, all these boys.
Where's the money?
I'll just pay your...
What did you see? What is going on now? Hey, what's going to make your pants? What do you funny thing?
John McJohn.
Now what for you? No, don't. I'm not gonna after something. Go. After something bigger. What is this? Okay, the money. Yeah. Don't go. No. What are you?
Na talk am ndem madu no no ba ke for. Na kwa go di sef ni na na go di. Gim kan get for am.
Jankara make it away. You know, see come now where's this money now? What do you mean? Why can't you pants? Jankara, you made me remove my pants and shake my ass without bringing anything now para go. Ta! Jankara.
Ne mala mo am li ngo di sef. Ya bo lo mo na gije yie. Ke na weta kwa no nka.
Nyam pants. Give me my pants. Let me warn you for the last time. Next time you do not check something before calling me to remove my pants. Take the risk of removing my pants. And at the end of the day, what am I open? Now I'm gonna go. Now. Nobody is Orega,
What's happening? Please give me my money.
But I had my wallet a while ago now. Okay, relax.
What kind of rotten story are you telling me now? Please give me my money.
Nah, man, where is my wallet? Hey. Chineke.
Give me my
Okay, who first?
Give me mine.
Hey.
like an irritated old woman.
Me? Scream like an irritated... See, if you don't produce my wallet this minute, I will start screaming like an irritated old dog.
That is not anything new. I have always known you to have animalistic tendencies.
Chineke, is it not my money that your children stole that made this your tummy to be so fat? And yet you're still poor. I'm still better off than you. See, woman, talk to your husband to produce my wallet though.
What is the matter?
And what is the matter? We have been playing Lido and I know so what? You've not been hearing what we are saying. Is it not this your stupid husband that sent your stupid children to come and steal my wallet? My wallet. Produce my money. My purse. Come here, Naka, and they come and see, produce my wallet though. Want your husband though.
Don't mind the mad dog. What were you doing when they saw you? Took your purse or your wallet and you did not know.
Question and answer. I just jump off his guys. See, if you don't produce my wallet this afternoon, I swear to God. See, and then we won't go. I will bust your tummy. Tell your husband though. I will bust his tummy this afternoon though.
Come and support the effort. Punch out the stomach. Yes,
I'm not going to go. No,
Wait, Ejina, boy.
Jiba, Jinka, Jiba.
Maneka cha kombu na apia looking number na. Ti go dinti donye nti. Hey. Kido lo bod. Odo yo mozo. Mozo. Ina wanne kai kia ta.
Come here. What have you done?
Mama, you know Janet, she doesn't know how to roast yam, so I've been teaching her.
Shut up! I said, what have you done? Mama, you know, he's teaching me how to roast the yam. You know, the yam is very sweet, especially when you roast it.
Don't act as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Don't act as if you don't know what I'm talking about.
Mama, yam, roasted yam is very sweet.
See, you provide my wallet to
provide my wallet.
From my wallet. Stay. I go for your greeting. Look at your devilish smile. See, where is my wallet?
Wallet.
Mbabo wallet, help us. See, Oga Timothy, if you and these your ushers do not provide my wallet this very minute, I swear to God, Madana.
Yes, you. Jaja, Papa. Did you see Luke today?
Luke on Kabu so. Janet, if you look.
Mbane, for us, you did not see me again. Were you not the one that bumped into me? Fiam, wallet, Anna.
Hey! Wonderful. You want to tell me that my son is now with supernatural powers? Or where? Oh, he bumped into you and Fiam, wallet, Anna.
That's enough. Nine, I am ashamed of you. Listen to yourself. When you know fully well that your children could have stolen his wallet, now both of you, you have to open up. If you fail to open up, that means no food for you in this house.
Ma biko maka ulcer. Biko. Come, you yourself. Let me ask you. What were you looking at? That your wallet left your body and you didn't know.
Joya.
Bam bam.
Oh.
But she said, no, will you shut up your mouth?
What do you want? Don't even tell us to shut up. We have to say it for the whole village to hear. Don't tell us to shut up.
Say it.
Luke was busy looking at Janet's tsunami.
What is tsunami?
Mama, the audio or just use of a woman.
Yeah, exactly.
In other words? Luke, you see? Just because your name is Luke, you go about looking at everything you see. Okay?
Papa, tell him. You needed to see the way he was looking at me lustfully. If someone could impregnate a woman with his eyes, I am very, very sure I will behave now with triplets.
Luke man.
So this is how you want to judge it, eh?
This is how.
Timothy, this is how.
Why will you look? Why? This is how.
As for you, I know how to undo you.
Because you are Luke, you will have to be. It's again.
Mama, it's not everyone that will just come into this compound and say your lips and you just leave the person. I don't like this.
I called you both here because I don't want your mother to hear our conversation. Like I always say, Onyosa, Adiriwe I am very proud of both of you and the way you two cooperate to do your things.
Baba, we're also proud of you, sir.
Shut up, idiot. There is something on ground now that if we do it right, we will say goodbye to hunger forever.
Baba, do you want us to steal anything?
No. What I want you to do is something that will keep you away from stealing ever again in this life.
Chekwala, Papa. I'm sure nobody will go in a plan. I hope you're not planning to do money ritual.
Forget that one. You both know Bato, the late richest man in this community.
Who doesn't know him?
Bato left 2 billion naira.
Sorry.
To be shared among his 4 children.
Jesus.
As I'm talking now, the 4 Mughals are already in town from Congo, Liberia, Jamaica, and USA. Now, Janet, this mission is especially for you. I want you to walk your way into them. And run rings around the 3 boys. Nugu, Jankara, your own work is to watch out for her. Watch her back. And make sure you want to and make sure you get them to do what you want. Make sure they like her and get them to do what you want.
Papa,
This is serious Odomen side.
Odoni boy.
Turn your light down low and open your window curtain.
Traffic in the air.
Long time.
Traffic in the Dang. What the F? Dang. This is traffic in the air, baby. Come on. This one good thing about Africa, you know.
Lost and scared.
Dang. Give this to you, man.
My mother.
Your mama gave this to you. God bless your mama, man. This is for your mama, knuckle, baby. For your mama. One, that's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. Dang.
Mommy, this is what they call Democratic Party of Africa. Yeah, man. If you climb this buto, mommy, you speak your mind.
This is traffic in the air.
Pretty data. Let me say. Your body just give a man some inspiration for your new song. Your body is a killer. See? Your body is a killer.
No, my brother. I'm not sure even need that.
It's also that right?
Stop that, mommy.
Stop it!
What happened here? What's the problem? Who got on my bag? Somebody enter my sack my biscuit? Who ate my sack? Who ate my biscuit?
What's your problem? Yelling, bitch.
If you want to swim, why not go to the beach yourself and swim? Stop shouting, bitch. Yeah. I'm looking for my biscuit.
What you talk about biscuit? Rastaman me no see no biscuit.
Sylvester. Yes. How are you coping with them? Boys, I'm showing them that I am the old soldier. Yes. I am going it militarily. Yes. God is helping me. But it's not easy. Yes. I trust you. I trust you. My wife even said she saw you with them carrying water containers. Is it true? That? There was no water in the house. And those boys needed somebody to tell them that they were supposed to go to the stream and fetch water. Hey. I hear too that they behave like people without brains. You will barely hear understand what any of them says. I think you are in a better place to handle them very well. Deal with them in military fashion. Come to think of it, why did your brother choose to do such a thing? No, don't even go there at all. No, don't go there, I tell you. I have to rush back to the house before I have mutiny in the house. Mutiny? So what is it all about? Ezekiel, are you in the army? Are you a soldier? So what do you want to know about mutiny? Mutiny is an army parlance. Army terminology. Army abracadabra. Sure. Yes, sure. Salute again. Sure. Like this. I'll see you. Yes. No, don't shake. Hey, sure. Stretch your hand up. Sure. Hands. It's all right. Hey. You're a soldier. Hands. Yes. I will see you. Let me wait for your people. Oh my. Serious.
Listen up, bitch. This Silpas here is responsible for your missing biscuit.
You take my biscuit. My sugar chocolate coated biscuit from Congo.
Take it easy, mommy.
Hey, what's happening there? I said, what's happening here? What is happening here? Come on. Leave him alone. Leave him. Christy Lala, what or what?
My name is not Chrisla. My name is Christella.
Whatever it is, Christella, what is happening here?
This one take my biscuit, go to my sack, take my sugar chocolate, watered biscuit from Congo. I'm hungry.
Bag!
It's my sack in Congo.
Bombo clat party boy. Leko thief. Why you thief a biscuit? You hungry man from Liberia.
Stop that, mommy. You stupid.
Hey, thief.
Oh, soldier. Respect me, dread. Me dread goalie, man.
You keep quiet, my friend. What's happening here?
Listen, I'm disappointed, man. Fucking disappointed.
You slippers. What is happening here? Did you take our biscuit?
Mommy, there is hunger in this house. So man need to survive.
Stealing? Oh my God! What is happening here? I leave you people for a while, and then you start fighting. What is happening? Stealing? That's stealing!
Stealing!
And this is punishable in the army by court martial. It is punishable in the army by money. It is punishable in the army by court martial. Do you know that? I say it is punishable in the army by dungeon. It is punishable in the army by firing squad. Now, oh my God, all of you line up here. Line up here, all of you. Line up here. You cannot go on panic. Line up. Line up. Hey, you. Come here by my side. Come this side. Good. Now stay here. Stay by my side, by my right hand side. This is where you stay. Is that correct? Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now you hold this. Hold it. Stay here. Yeah. Good. Now, listen. This is punishable. And you must be punished by me. Now, I'm going to give you frog jump. 1 hour jump. 1 hour jump. You stoop and you jump like 1 hour. Jump for 1 hour. Jump for 1 hour. 1 hour jump. Hey! What's wrong with you? Okay. Now give me back my pack. Now stop it! Don't keep singing. What's wrong with you? Now listen. I'm an ex-soldier of Biafran regiment. So don't try this again. Don't try it again. Next time you try it, I'll do something about it. Talking about being broke. Want to sing it like a record or what?
Come on, man. We broke. And because we can't go back to our bases to hustle, that makes us your responsibility. Come on, man. We need swag. We need money. Give us some money. This is traffic in the air.
Swag you. As what?
As we uncle. We father leg or brother, man. Sin.
Why can't you speak what I understand? Do you even make sense of what you say?
I man make sense. A layout fi sense, man. Sin. Rastafari.
Mommy, if I had money with me, I wouldn't be stealing biscuit. Mommy, I need money.
Listen, all of you. I'm not your father.
No.
I didn't ask you to come in here and live for 1 year. Now listen. If I had my way, all of you will be out of this place so I can have my peace. I need my sanity back. Because staying with the bunch of you makes me mad. Do you know that if I was not an old soldier, I would crack. Staying with the bunch of you can make somebody mad. Listen, I don't have any money I'm giving anybody. I'm not giving anybody any money. You go out and look for something to do.
You fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit. You don't have a dime on you. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You're a broke soldier, man. Shit. Traffic in the fuck all that shit.
No soldier this, soldier that. We gonna eat soldier. Poor old soldier. Poor grey hair. Poor everything.
Oh soldier, now waiting be this you. You be guy man. Also Jana waiting be this yo. You be guy man. You be guy man. If you move, you go move you.
Old Sarge.
What's that?
Old Sarge. Old Sarge.
Who is that? What's that? What is it?
Come on, man. Everywhere's fucking hot.
My friend, if you are hot, see that your cloth, that one you have on top there. Americano, remove it. Fly it like this. Wham, wham, wham. It will be fun. That's what we do here.
Come on, Old Sarge. Why don't we even have light here, man?
Bad government. The leaders, them are thieves, then they care about themselves. They don't care about the sufferation for the people. But Americana, Jah Rastafari, with the scheme people, Sunday, sin.
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. Come on, Old Sarge. Why don't we have lights, man?
Are you deaf? Or maybe something has blocked your tympanic membranous. Texas. These are the wires here. Don't call me again complaining about what I don't know.
So why don't we have light, Old Sarge? Why don't we have light, Old Sarge?
I don't have anything to tell you.
Fuck all that shit, Old Sarge. Fuck all that shit. I'ma fix it.
No, man.
I'ma fix it. I need lights, man. I'ma fix it.
Come on. What is the lights, man? Americana, you don't know you're electrician. You don't know you got some talents.
What's that? What happened?
What is fake electrician, man?
What happened?
I was trying to fix this shit. I got fucked up, man. Damn.
America, you feel dead now.
Yeah? Nigerian Electric. This thing, you climb this thing with a knife, with the kitchen knife. Hi. What is wrong with these crazy boys? You're lucky it didn't kill you. Eh? You think it's American, what do you call it, electric? Small electric. Little electric you have in America. Nigeria Electric is powerful.
I mean, you play with electricity.
Stop laughing, man. Fuck all that shit. Stop laughing, man.
If you read, they make laugh.
Nigeria Electric is big, powerful. It will carry you up Nana on the ground.
Come on, Old Sarge.
Sorry.
Show some love, man. I need milk. I need milk.
We'll give you a cow. One whole cow so that you will put your mouth on the breast and suck the whole milk.
Sorry.
Mommy, shut up, mommy. You play with electricity. You're lucky they kill you.
Sorry.
Dang. Fuck all that shit.
Mommy?
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
I mean, you're lucky this and they kill you. You're lucky.
Sorry.
That was fucking serious, man. That shit got me fucked up.
Americana, me swear for the name for the Most High. Me no know you're fake electrician.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit.
Fake electrician.
Go that shit, man. Go that shit,
It's even a matter of being fake or whatever. If you're an electrician, you're an electrician. If you're not, you're a bloody civilian. Bloody civilian.
Your mates are nice. Go for your breaks. Bombo clad old soldier. When Mr. Zion is a holy place. When Mr. Zion is a holy place. Nothing can enter there. Rastafari is a light. We don't need.
Malicha. One. In a letter, no. You could get out of the border.
My dear, I really need to work on that project that Papa discussed with us.
Okay.
Ujo?
Joe, I'm not sure. But don't also Joe.
How far? Can I get you the latest? What's the latest?
Actually, I want to enter them fully. One in short first. You know? Hey, I'm probably there.
Janet, you wear pants.
Why are you staring at me like that?
Nah, I want to know whether you are putting on your pants because you know these days you don't like wearing pants. It's now your culture. See, I know I'm saying it to Makumu Joe. I'm sorry. Makumo Batu. I drop Amma.
Jankara, I am not a small girl. I know what to do and what to do at the right time. I'm off here. Ne. Fella de make you in a zone did it with you over 200 naira general can catch to far.
Now take it.
You didn't maybe
one of my minister like that.
Now say about
Are you my girl? What's wrong with you?
You want a girl?
John. No, you feel like I don't know how to chase you.
Are you my girl? Oh, shh. Why didn't that put in a joke girl?
Go and sit down.
Oh, thank you. Hey,
hey, Jenna, if you like, come back to this house without anything.
Important one because of present situation.
Uncle, every time you call meeting, Nigeria people like meeting. What is it again? What is it?
I want all of you to listen to me and listen attentively. The battle is getting hotter and hotter, and every soldier must move to the present times.
Amen. We are not Soya men. Sometimes we cannot understand your language.
Yes, sir.
Amen.
Come on.
What I'm saying is this. You people need to start to do little things that will put money in your pocket. Things that will give you money.
Money! You know what I come for? I come for Nigeria money. Thank you. I will thank you very well. Give you Makosa dance. You know Lokomba. We know. That is the way to go. Thank you very much. Where is the money? I need money. Give me money. Good uncle.
Lokomba, shut up.
My name is Christina.
Listen, Christiana, listen. Listen and get that into your skull, that skull of yours. What I am saying is that you people should get into that village and begin to do small things. Look for small things to do that will put money in your hands, put money in your pockets. Am I making sense to somebody here? That okay? Does that make sense?
The 3 marks, one love. There is one question I really want to ask. My son,
what kind of trouble is this? How do I make money in this village where I don't know anybody? If it were in Brazzaville, I would have seen plenty men to buy me liquor and take me for a dance. But wait a minute, Christella. Don't underrate the men here. They may surprise you. Well, let's see for now. I know what to do.
Like a city pond that
No.
can't be hit.
Yeah, but look on Babu. The Kaifem my son, I can tell with Sakale.
Me a son feel desire. In case them know Rastaman run things. Me like a heel. Be hidden. Jaja bless your son. Bless your son. No allow the people of the world to gloat over my suffering son. Send. God bless I and I. Obama.
Are you from the sea?
Oh yes, Bombo Cloud. I man, know you why you ask me such a question.
Just that I like reggae. If I see people playing reggae music, I like them.
Where's it? Yeah, mean you like reggae music, huh?
Hey, no. You see, disciple. Apostle. Disciple. Lucky. Dube. Oh, Bob. Bob something. Ejimia.
Bombo clat man. You mean like Dube Bob Marley?
Biano newu. Keta ke kono ka made ano.
Where is it?
Please, I would like you to play small for me.
So, how we have figure so Rastaman fi play you some special tune, man. Respect. See you tall like a dundee. I can't sing Jamaica where me come from. When Jaja say me go make am, say kissing for the microphone. Kissing ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone. Oh, kissing for the microphone, yeah. Kissing ya the number one. Kissing ya the cornerstone, yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone, yeah. On the microphone, yeah.
I'm clapping for you.
Yeah. Keke baba ya the cornerstone, yeah. Let me tell you something. I don't go to Jamaica where I come from. Me much up the dance hall. Mr. Yellowman. At Jamaica. Me and Mr. Till at Jamaica. Me roll with Chakadimos and Players, Chabarans, Mr. Yellowman. All of them. Me much up the dance hall. See?
But you still haven't answered my question. If you are from this place.
Oh yes, Sam. A Kingston, Jamaica backyard, man. Huh? Me I come from this jungle, but no me a father, man.
Mwabato,
You know him?
your late father was a very rich man.
So they tell Rastaman. But my father say Rastaman fi suffer, fi get the man.
Yeah, nah, so if I'm married, what on ya?
My father want Rastaman fi step on the place for 1 year before Rastaman fi get the money, man.
Charlie. So you don't have any money with you?
Me a broke like a church rat. Rastaman no get no dollar, man. But me know, Jaja, Rastafari flies, yeah, the country lion of the tribe of Judah, gon' provide his son. See? Me know.
I will teach you how to make money in this village.
What else?
With your guitar.
Bumbo clout, where I say. When me fi sing, when me fi play some tune, fi make some doll. You know? You gonna take me there.
But meanwhile, play me another song. I want to confirm if you are tight. So you won't go out there to disgrace me.
You want me to play some tune? Rastafari! See, me gonna play this song. Me do this one for me girl. Abakayada Jamaica. Me girlfriend. Me love her to the bone, man. Me girlfriend.
You're not such a person. They can achieve a malo.
Me mama.
Where
we go? When me say you want me to be mine, baby girl, you look so fine. The way you move your body, just like movie your design, see your mind. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find, you are mine. Baby girl, you look so fine. Just like you are too difficult to find. This is another raga style, yeah. Kingston bring another style, yeah. Ziggy zaga zai. Another raga style, yeah. Kingston Baba, Sanmana.
No. Sometimes in the dream.
Oh, fuck you, man. I'm talking about reality here, baby.
See. For the fact that I like you, I also want my sister to like you.
Are you for real? You make your sister to like me? Damn, that's why you're my blood, man. You're my blood. You're my blood, man. Sorry, say that again.
I say you are a fine guy.
I know. Everybody knows. I mean, the whole world knows, man.